Cub Cadet IntelliPower is an engine technology designed to deliver consistent engine performance, particularly when cutting through thick, heavy grass. IntelliPower technology digitally monitors and automatically maintains engine speed, which gives operators up to 18% more available power that can be felt and heard. This power gives lawn equipment the ability to better tackle heavy wet grass without bogging or slowing down. This is especially effective in spring mowing conditions and provides consistent blade speed while still providing power for superior mulching and bagging performance. This feature also means additional power for mowing uphill. You also can use the dial to choose between 4 settings: idle, transport, cut, or power cut. Transport is used for when you are moving around your property, but not actively mowing. There are multiple levels to transport, so you can have the power you need for your purpose. Cut is used for general cutting. Power cut is for when you need more power in tougher cutting situations, like wet spring grass. The dial allows you to seamlessly move between all of these levels to ensure you have the power you need for the task. IntelliPower comes equipped on select riders, zero turns, and snow blowers. Visit cubcadet.com for more information and find out where to buy machines equipped with IntelliPower technology.